Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I am going to explain about how to perform all account-related operations in JDBC. Simply to say, the complete CRUD operations I am explaining in a single program, and it's a menu-driven program. Here, I'm creating one Java project. One Java project I have taken completely JDBC account I'm taking like this. The project name, just like JDBC account operations. Let's finish. It will create that JDBC account operations. In the source file, I'm creating only one class. I'm creating only one class because all operations I'm going to perform with a single class. For example, the package name I have given. And this is, I'm giving that class name is a account operations. I'm giving account operations like this. As a menu driven program, I'm doing first, so we know how to work with that menu. Condition is always true. Condition is always true. Now we are performing all operations. System.out.println, giving clearly the message is account operations. So all four operations first, insert record into account is nothing but simply to say create account. The next one is a display the details of account details. Third one, system.out.println is performing the deposit operation. Deposit. System.out.println is the fourth one is a withdraw operation. Withdraw. System.out.println. The fifth one is money transfer from one account to another account. The system.out.println is the sixth one is delete account. And to exit, the seventh one is a quit. And here first we ask them to enter their choice. System.out.print, enter choice that we are collecting into ch using the scan.nextInt. I'm creating the object of scanner. So anywhere if you want to use, just make it a static scanner. Scan equals to new scanner of system.in and is belongs to that util package, and we are importing that scanner class. And here depends on the choice. Then if choice is equals to 1, else if choice is equals to 2. Like this we keep on writing. Else if choice is equals to 3. Choice equals to 3. Else if choice is equals to 4. For everything, we are specifying the choices like this. Else if choice is equals to 5. So up to 7 are there. Choice is equals to 6. Choice is equals to 7. 7 else. The choice, if they enter other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Simply just giving the message is invalid choice. Invalid choice given. That is the error. We're just writing as an error. We are doing this one. So repeatedly it will execute until we quit. For example, if choice is equals to 7, here it is just giving that end of operations. How to exit means what? Simply break. Break statement will break the loop. But here it is a before while loop. I just want to connect with the database because I want to perform all these JDBC operations by connecting with the database. So in the database, I'm opening my database. I want to create a table account because to perform all account operations, account number is integer, name is varchar, name is varchar of 20. Simply the balance is integer. I'm taking like this. Description is account. Here it is checking the details are present or not. Select star from account. Any record is present? No, no rows selected. So first we are loading the driver. All these things I'm creating is a static private string. The driver I'm connecting with the database is oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver is a name. And next one is a static private string. Is a connection string URL. JDBC API is connecting with Oracle database using the thin driver that we have installed at localhost, and it is running at the port number is 1521 with the service name is XE all. So first I'm loading the driver. Execution starts from the main. As we know that how to load the driver is everything we write in try. Everything we write in a try block, and this one inside the try block. First we are loading the driver. Class dot for name the driver, and in case any exception, yes, we are handling that exception E. In case any exception, we are just giving that exception raised, exception, giving that message, get message. After that, we establish the connection. The connection also, I just make it available throughout the function, throughout the complete class. So connection equals to null. This belongs to that SQL package. So I'm importing that connection interface. After loading the driver, establish the connection. CON equals to this one. CON equals to driver manager dot get connection. The three things we need to pass. The three things you need to pass. First one is URL. Second one is username. I'm giving that directly. My system credentials, database credentials, URL, system, username, and password is successfully connected. Once it is successfully connected, then we are performing all account operations. And whenever this loop execution completed, whenever this while loop is terminated, is coming out, so then automatically this finally block also execute. It will close. If the connection is not equals to null, we just close that connection dot close, giving the message, or Here it is whenever it close, chance of getting that exception. So we are just handling that exception. We are just writing only this much. We are handling that exception while closing the connection. Now here, to perform all these operations, 7 operations, I'm defining 7 static methods along with the main method. 7 static methods along with the main method. Here is a static void create account. Like this, 7 methods. The second option is what? Display account details. Static void display details. Third one is deposit. Fourth one is withdraw. Static void deposit operation. Static void withdraw operation. Static void money transfer from one account to another account. Static void delete account. These are all the methods we defined inside this class, account operations. So total 6. Then I'll write one by one. And whenever you are connecting to the database, as we know that we need to build path to the OJDBC 5 jar file. So whatever that where the driver, all these are available, just we are connecting. We know already, right? Just build path, libraries, click on module path, click on add external jars, OJDBC 5, open. Because the driver class available here only. The driver class available here. So that's why we have written this one. So now one by one account operations we are performing. Suppose if they click on choice 1, we are calling the methods here. Create account method we are calling here. If the choice is equals to 2, that is display details. If choice is equals to 3, deposit. If choice is equals to 4, if choice is equals to 4, is withdraw. If choice is equals to 5, is money transfer. Choice is equals to 6, and it is delete account. These are the operations we are performing. Now I'll explain one by one. Using the scanner class, we perform all these operations. So first, if they want to create account, so first we should ask system.out.println enter account details to insert. So first account number I'm reading, scan.nextInt directly, and the next one is a name, scan.next account holder name. Next one is a balance in account, balance scan.nextInt. After reading the details, then we are preparing the query. String query equals to insert into account values, the 3 question marks for 3 column values, and then we need to prepare the statement. Prepared statement PS is equals to connection dot prepare statement, passing the query as an input because we are performing the insertion operation. We are performing the insertion operation. So that prepared statement, the query we are executing is unhandled exception, SQL exception. I don't want to handle any exceptions, simply throws SQL exception. Throws SQL exception, prepared statement, then PS dot execute update. But can we call directly? No. First, we need to set the values PS dot set int to the first one, number, first column. PS dot set name, set string, that is. Set string is the second one, is a name. PS dot set integer is the third one, that is balance. So once we call execute update method, because insert is update query, so execute update, it will just return how many records updated. If count is 0, no records updated. If count is more than 0, some of the records updated. So giving that if count is greater than 0, giving that message is account created successfully. Account created successfully. Else just failed in creating account. Just failed in creating the account. This is the simple way of writing the code for creating account. Just by executing the code, we can check how it is executing. Just run as Java application. Is showing that enter your choice is 1. Enter account details 101 is Amar. The balance in account is 5,000. Look at this. Account created successfully. See here, we are checking that previously is no row selected. Now here it is 101 Amar and 5,000 given. Next one, again enter your choice 1. I'm inserting some details. Is 102 is Annie 6,000. Again account created successfully. And here it is that next one is again 1 is 103 is a 7,000. Now here I just want to quit 7. End of operations completed. End of operations completed. Now if you check here, total 3 records we inserted. See all the 3 records inserted successfully. Now the second operation I want to perform. Suppose if the choice is equals to 2, display details. So it will call the display details. The same story first. We ask them to enter account number, because based on the account number only, we can check whether it is present or not. Just we are writing that string query equals to, now what is the query? Select star from account where account number equals to question mark. So we call the prepared statement is the same story and is throwing exception. I don't want to handle the exception, SQL exception. We are just setting set integer of 1, the number. But we are retrieving the details now. Retrieving means what? PS dot execute query. And what is the return type? We know that. it will return that result set. Result set, it will return. If the record is present, if the record is present, it will return the result set. If rs dot next, if record is present, that next method will return the boolean value true. If record is not present, then it will give that value is a false. So whenever it is false, we are just giving that error invalid account number given. If it is present, so then we are collecting that rs dot collecting one by one. Anyway, number they have given, so no need to collect. No need to collect, only just name and balance. So name get string, it is in second column. rs dot get int is a third column. The two I am taking. So one is the account holder name, and the next one is a balance in account. And we are printing clearly the details are is printing first the number what they have entered, just comma separator. Next one is a name, just comma separator. Next one is a balance. All the three we are printing as a details. Just writing the query, select star from account where account number equals to question mark. We prepare the statement, we are setting the number, we execute the query. We will get the result set because we are retrieving the data. So now again I am executing this code. Already 3 records inserted. Now my choice is to enter account number is 104. Is actually it is not there. So error invalid account number given because only 3 records I entered, 101, 102 and 103. So again it is repeated. For example, again second choice, display account details, 102 I entered. Look at this. That 102 related details, 102 Annie and 6,000 given. 102 Annie and 6,000 given. So now I don't want to continue, just 7 quit, end of operations. This is how we are performing the second one, that is display. That is display is a simple one. Next operation is what? Deposit operation. I just want to check. Right, first, we need to take 2 things to perform the deposit operation. To perform the deposit operation, 2 things we are taking. First one, we ask them to enter the account number. Next one, we ask them to enter how much amount you want to deposit. Enter amount to deposit. So that we are taking amount. Now we need to write the update query directly. String query equals to update account table set. In account, what is the column name? Is balance. Set balance is equals to balance plus how much amount you want to deposit, where account number is question mark. 2 things. So where we need to set the balance, account number and all. So prepared statement, we need to write the prepared statement. We need to write the prepared statement. Then we should set. Always throws SQL exception. Yes. But here it is to the first one, we should not set number. Look at the order. Is a first question mark? Is a second question mark? To the second question mark, it is number. To the first question mark, to the first question mark, it is how much amount you want to deposit. And then same we are checking that PS dot execute update query only. If the number, account number is present, then only it will update and it will give the count is greater than 0. So if count is greater than 0, if count is greater than 0, system dot out dot println clear message amount deposited into account number number successfully. We mentioned very clearly how much amount is deposited into which account number. Else, if not, system dot out dot println failed, just or error invalid account number given. Invalid account number given. That is, here first we are not checking that account number is present or not. That is another way. Okay, so we can do such programs also. Now I'm executing the thing. Here already details are there. Enter choice 3, deposit. Enter account number. Enter account number. Here I'm checking very clearly. Into 102, I just want to deposit 4,000 rupees. Into 102, I want to deposit 4,000 rupees. Look at this. 4,000 deposited into account number 102 successfully. Enter your choice. If you want to check the details, you can check also. Display details. Enter account number is 102. Look at this. It's not 6,000, it's 10,000 now. If you want to check here in the database, look at this, 6,000 rupees become 10,000 rupees. Become 10,000. Then I don't want to continue, just quit. End of operations. So this is the simple way to perform the deposit amount. The next one, just how we deposit in the same way, we withdraw. The same code I'm just copy paste. And here it is handling exception also. Just we ask enter account number. Enter account number and how much amount you want to withdraw. Enter amount to withdraw. We are just collecting. First of all, we need to retrieve the information. And we mention very clearly, first of all, string query equals to here two things you need to do. First, checking that balance is present or not. First, record is present or not. If record is present, balance is present or not. If balance is present, then we deduct and update. It's query 1. Query 1, select. Only balance enough. Select balance from account where account number equals to question mark. Then is a prepared statement PS1 equals to connection dot prepare statement of query 1, passing that query. Checking that PS1 dot execute query, because we are retrieving the information and we are collecting into the result set. Here, checking first the record is present or not. If rs dot next okay, at least that account is a valid account. Else, system dot out dot println invalid account number given. Account is not present to perform withdraw operation. If record is present, then we are checking the balance. How much balance is there? We collect na rs dot get integer of 1. Sir, why 1? Because we collect only balance, it's not star. Generally, balance is third column. Why you are not taking third column, you are taking first column means here we are collecting only balance. Just getting the balance which is present in the record. If how much amount they want to withdraw is less than or equals to balance, then collect the cash. Else, system dot out dot println error low balance in account or insufficient balance. If it is there, if balance is present, just here it is a collect the cash, collect cash of rupees, how much amount they want to withdraw. But we need to update now. Again, we need to write update query. Query 2 equals to update account set balance is equal to balance minus question mark, where account number equal to question mark. Balance minus, we need to deduct now. So again, the prepared statement with query 2. With query 2, that is. And two things we need to set. PS2 dot set integer. First one is how much amount you have withdrawn. Second one is PS2 dot set number, that is set integer. What is the account number? The two things, amount and number, two things we set. Now here what we did, simply we update PS2 dot execute update, PS2 dot execute update. We are just executing. If it is successfully updated, again is one more count you will get. One more count. Of course, mostly not required. Is just giving that output is withdraw successful, is nothing but collect the cash. Collect the cash. Just account updated successfully. Account updated successfully. That's all. Now again, I'm executing the code. Here it is. First, display account details 2. Account number is 103. Okay, in 103 account, the total balance is 7,000 rupees. 7,000. Now I am going to withdraw 4. Account number is 103 I have given. Enter amount to withdraw 2,500. So from 7,000, 2,500 amount will be deducted. it is giving one error, small error, missing in and out parameter. We need to set, without setting the value, look at this, ps1 dot set integer of that how much, so what is the account number we need to set. We need to set. So I'm running again the code. Enter your choice is 2, is 102. Details, 10,000 is there. Now I just want to withdraw 4. Enter account number, same account number I'm giving 102. How much amount I want to withdraw? 3,500. Look at this, collect the cash 3,500, account updated successfully. From 10,000, I withdraw 3,500. I just want to check the details again, 2. So I'm giving 102. Now look at the output. From 10,000, whenever you deducted 3,500, the remaining amount is 6,500. It is showing. This is the one. Okay. Now I just want to end of operations. The next one is what? Just delete the record. How easy the thing, just like this insert. So which record you want to delete? Which record you want to delete? Simply in deletion, enter account number to delete. Enter account number to delete. Just throws SQL exception. Only account number I have taken and delete from account. Delete from account where account number equals to question mark. Setting that account number is execute update if it is greater than account deleted successfully, else failed in deleting the account. Simply I have given this one. Now I'm executing the code. Executing the code. So look at this. In this one, 3 records are there, 101, 102 and 103. The choice I'm giving is a 6. Enter amount, account number to delete, Account number I'm giving 102. Account deleted successfully. I just want to quit. Now I'm checking that account is present or not. No. Look at this. The second one is deleted successfully. This is the way we are performing the operation. Okay. These are all account operations. And here it is, I'm not writing the code for money transfer because in transaction management example, clearly I explained. Money transfer means what? Just first we need to collect the source account. Next, the destination account number. How much amount you want to transfer. First, checking the source account is present or not. Then checking the destination account is present or not. And check the balance is present or not. If everything good, then we transfer the amount from one account to another account. This program I already explained clearly in transaction management concept. So please watch that example also, follow that and complete the task of money transfer and complete all CRUD operations, account operations, the complete JDBC in one example we discussed very clearly. Everyone please practice and complete the remaining code also by looking to the transaction management concept. Hope you understood. Please subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you all.